Hello everybody, 12/16, 20 seconds, February 20th. This is the main drawing for the Werewolf by Night 32, which is graded 7.0, and the Raw 33. Over here are the 48 filled spots. Over here on the left. Whoever comes in first place will win both books, and I should be able to get them out in today's mail. Worst case tomorrow, February 21st. So let's find these bad boys a new home. The number is 9. Best of luck, everyone. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here comes the final one. 9, spot 8, Chris Bartleblatt. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Congratulations. Time is 12:17 and 7.